Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you everybody? So I hope everybody will be fine. So let's come to topic, and the topic is for today, yes, reasons of collapse. Reasons of building collapse are common reasons of building collapse. So we will discuss this topic in this video. Let's start. The first reason for building collapse is passage of time. Passage of time is one of the main reason of building collapse. And the second reason is building is also collapsed due to weak foundation, because weak foundation cannot support the structure load. So the reason is building collapse. And the third one is here, earthquake, hurricanes and some other natural disasters can damage your building structure. This is also the reason of collapse. Now the fourth one is here, poor workmanship. If you don't keep a good supervisor for the good supervision for your building structure, so there are mason and laborers, so they don't perform their responsibility on the right way for your building structure. So this is also the reason of collapse. So you should keep a good supervisor for the good supervision for your building structure. So otherwise they will make many mistakes in your building structure during construction work. So this is also the reason of collapse. Poor workmanship. Lack of maintenance, repairing and maintenance. If there is a lack of maintenance in your building, so this is also the reason of building collapse. Now the sixth one is bad structure design. If engineer design a structure without calculating loads for your building, so this is also the reason of collapse, because we have to do the proper design for the building structure. Without load calculation, if you design a structure, so it's wrong. So bad structure design is also reason of collapse. Now the sixth one is here, bad construction for the building. This is also reason of collapse. So you know what is bad construction for building. And the last one is here, improper selection of material. If you don't use the proper material for your building structure, so this is also the reason of collapse. So use the proper material for your building structure. So these are some common reasons for building collapse which I have discussed in front of you. If there is any question about this video or for more civil engineering videos, so you should comments. I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.